Hello children, Sai Ram. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, the animal world. Lesson number 9, the animal world. In this lesson we are going to learn about types of animals, uses of animals. Types of animals and uses of animals. Children, do you see animals where you live? Which animals do you see around your house and school? Name some of the animals you see. Yes, you will find pigeons, cow, dog, crow, cat, and even you can see lizards, squirrels and butterflies also in and around your house and school. But you will not find lions, tigers, elephant, deer, bear, zebra. All these animals you will not find in and around your house. Why? Do you know? Because these animals live in the forest. These animals live in the forest. They are called wild animals. They are called wild animals. The animals that live in forest are called wild animals. The animals that live in forest are called wild animals. There are different sizes of wild animals. Some are big and some are small. It is not safe to keep them at home. It is not safe to keep these wild animals at home. Now let us see these wild animals one by one. Elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. It is the largest land animal in the world. Next, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It is our national animal. Tiger lives in the forest. Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. It is also a wild animal. Giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. Zebra. Zebra is also a wild animal, and see its body, black and white stripes. It's looking nice also, but it is a wild animal. Now this is a small wild animal. I told you there are big and small wild animals. So deer is a small wild animal. Small wild animal. Monkeys. Monkey also a wild animal. So these are some of the wild animals. They live in the forest. That is why they are called wild animals. See, this is a picture of a zoo. It is not safe to keep these wild animals at home. We can keep them at zoo. If you want to see these animals, you can go to the sea and watch. Okay, children. Next is domestic animals. People keep some animals at home or on farms. They are called domestic animals. Example, cows, buffaloes, hens, goats, etc. Now let us see these animals one by one. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Goat. Goat also give us milk. It is a domestic animal. Buffalo. Buffalo is also a domestic animal. We can keep these animals at home or farms. Hens. Hen also a domestic animal. We can keep these animals at home or on farms. Sheep. Sheep is also a domestic animal. So these are some of the domestic animals. We can keep domestic animals at home or on farms. Pet animals. Do you have a pet at home? Some of you may have. Yes, children? Dog, cat, then parrot. All these things you can keep as a pet. We keep some animals as pets. They are our friends. We must take care of them. Example, dog, cat. Now let us see these pet animals one by one. Dog, so cute it is. This is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Cat. Cat is also a pet animal. Rabbit, so cute. The rabbit is also a pet animal. Parrot. Parrot is a pet animal. So we learned wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. Animals which live in the forest are called wild animals. For example, lion, tiger, bear, giraffe, elephant, etc. And domestic animals, people keep some animals at home or farms. They are called domestic animals. Cows, buffaloes, hens and goats are called domestic animals. Now, the third one is pet animals. Some people keep dogs, cats, rabbits and birds as pets. Pets need a lot of love and care. So, now we are going to see the uses of animals. Uses of animals. We get different kinds of food from domestic animals. Cow. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. We make curd, butter, paneer, cheese and ghee from the milk. So first use is cow and buffaloes give us milk. From the milk we make curd, butter, paneer, cheese and ghee. Hens. Hens lay eggs which people eat. Some of us eat the meat of hens. Hens lay eggs which people eat. Some of us eat the meat of hens. Goat. Goats give us milk and some of us eat the meat of goats. Goats give us milk and some of us eat the meat of goats. Sheep. Wool from the sheep is used to make warm clothes. Sweater and all we make from wool, and the wool is from sheep. It is used to make warm clothes. Donkey. Oxen. Domestic animals help us in other ways too. Oxen, horses and donkeys are used to pull carts. So children, today we learned about the animal world. In that we learned types of animal and uses of animals. Types of animal, wild animal, domestic animal and pet animals. Uses, so we get different kinds of food from domestic animals. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. We make curd, butter, paneer, cheese and ghee from the milk. Hens lay eggs which people eat. Some of us eat the meat of hen and goats. Domestic animals help us in other ways too. Oxen, horses and donkeys are used to pull carts. Wool from the sheep is used to make warm clothes. Now let us revise the lesson by doing this activity. Tick the correct word. Number 1, we get inside the bracket fruits, milk, eggs from hens. We get fruits, milk, eggs. These are the options from hens. Which one is correct? We get fruits from hens? No. Milk? No. Then yes, eggs. We get eggs from hens. Take this correct answer. Eggs. Number 2, we get options curd, milk, tea from cows. We get tea from cow? No. Curd? No. Then milk. Milk is the correct answer. We get milk from cows. Number 3, we get inside the bracket honey, eggs, wool from sheep. We get honey from sheep? No. Eggs? No. Then yes, wool. Answer is wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. Number 4, oxen help to pull carts, engines, cars. Options are carts, engines and cars. Which one is correct? Oxen help to pull engines? No. Cars? No. Then carts. Correct answer is carts. Oxen help to pull carts. Wild animals live in the house, forest, park. Where do they live? Wild animals. Wild animals live in the park? No. House? No. They live in the forest. So, these are the correct answers. We get eggs from hens and we get milk from cows. We get wool from sheep and oxen help to pull carts. Wild animals live in the forest. Okay, children. Now let us see the next one. Look at these pictures, animal pictures carefully. Some of them are wild animals and some of them are domestic animals. Mark W for wild animals and D for domestic animals. W for wild animals and D for domestic animals. Okay, children. Now let us start. First one is horse. Horse is a wild animal? No, it is a domestic animal. So I am going to write D. Goat is also a domestic animal. We can keep these animals at home. Giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. W for wild animal. And elephant. Elephant is also a wild animal. W. Deer. Yes, it is a wild animal. Bear. Yes, wild animal. And what about donkey? Donkey is a domestic animal. D. Zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. W. Squirrel. Yes, in and around our house we can see. So they are domestic animal. Sheep. We keep this animal at home. So it is a domestic animal. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is a domestic animal? No. Then it is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. Rabbit. Rabbit is a domestic animal, children. And parrot can keep this at home. So it is a pet and a domestic animal. Then what about monkey? Monkey? Monkey is a wild animal. Rooster. Rooster is also a domestic animal. It is a type of hen. And then buffalo. Buffalo is a domestic animal. And one more is there. Just see this. Cat. Cat is a domestic animal. Okay, we have finished this. Then let us see the other one. Life skills and values. Which of these children are being cruel to animals? What is cruel? Doing bad things. Bad things. Those who are bad to animals, like hurting them and keeping them in cages and not feeding them properly. Okay, children. So let us see who is cruel to these animals by reading these sentences. Okay. Now first sentence is Hema takes her dog for a walk every day. Is a bad thing or good thing? Tell me. Hema takes her dog for a walk every day. It's a good thing. Is she cruel to this animal? No, she is good to this animal. So, we will see this is good. She is not cruel. Vikas. Number 2, Vikas throws stones at the cows to chase them away. Is this a good habit? Good thing? No. Very bad. Very bad. Don't throw stones to animals. So, Vikas is not a good boy. He is very cruel to animals. So, I don't like this. I'll put this wrong. I will not do this. You also don't do, children. Shreya loves to tease the monkeys that come to her colony. Do you want to tease like this. No, don't do. Animals are very good. You always behave nicely with these animals. They will not harm you. Okay, children. So Shreya loves to tease. Do you like to tease the animals, monkeys? No, that is not a good habit. It's very bad. She is cruel to this animal. So I don't like it. I'll put like this. Dino keeps a bowl of seeds and water outside his house for the birds in summer. Okay. Dino keeps a bowl of seeds and water for the birds. In summer, they all need water and they also need some food to eat. They like to eat seeds. So seeds, rice, then pulses. So keep a bowl of seeds and water outside the house in summer season is a very good thing. So he's a very good boy. I like this. So he's good. He's not cruel to animals. Then Tara keeps her cat locked in her room. I told you this is a bad thing. Keep the animals in cages or rooms. It is not good. They also need, like if you want to go out, and they also need to walk. They also like to play. So don't keep animals in a room or in cages. So this is also not good. I don't like this. So here Hima and Dino are good children. They are not cruel to animals. Children, you also love all these animals. Okay, children? We have finished with our lesson number 9, the animal world. In this lesson, we learned about types of animals. How many types we learned? 3. There are wild animals, there are domestic animals, there are pet animals. And now what is the uses of animals? That also we learned. Now let us go to the next session. New words. Let us learn these new words. Number 1, animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Number 2, world. W-O-R-L-D. World. W-O-R-L-D. World. W-O-R-L-D. World. Number 3, wild. W-I-L-D. Wild. W-I-L-D. Wild. W-I-L-D. Wild. Number 4, domestic. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic. Oxen. O-X-E-N. Oxen. O-X-E-N. Oxen. O-X-E-N. Oxen. Buffaloes. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S. Buffaloes. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S. Buffaloes. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S. Buffaloes. Goats. G-O-A-T-S. Goats. G-O-A-T-S. Goats. G-O-A-T-S. Goats. Horses. H-O-R-S-E-S. Horses. H-O-R-S-E-S. Horses. H-O-R-S-E-S. Horses. Then donkeys. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Donkeys. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Donkeys. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Donkeys. Then sheep. S-H-E-E-P. sheep. sheep, sheep. sheep, sheep. Okay children, we have finished all 10 words. Once again, animal, world, wild, domestic, oxen, buffaloes, goats, horses, donkeys, sheep. These 10 words, please write in your rough book and learn. So, we have finished with our lesson number 9, the animal world. Okay children, we'll see you with the classwork next week. Bye.